Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Is your Windows 11 PC suddenly silent? No sound from speaker, headphone or Windows saying no output device found? Don't worry, this video show you every working solution to fix Windows 11 sound problem step by step. So let's get started to the solution. So first right click on your speaker icon in the taskbar and open the sound settings. Okay. After opening the sound setting, under output select the correct speaker or headphone. After selecting correct speaker and headphone, it will fix your problem. Increase the volume and test the sound from here. Many users fix the issue following this step alone. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Close your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type services.msc and then hit enter from your keyboard. And here you need to find out Windows IDEO. Right click on it and here you need to select the restart option. Do the same for Windows IDEO endpoint builder. Right click on it and restart it. After doing this guys, you can close your services menu. Now still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Open the Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is a shortcut key to open Windows settings. In the Windows settings, go to system, scroll down and find out troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot, go to other troubleshooter like this. Okay, from here you need to run the IDEO troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen process instruction. After following this step guys, now you can close your Windows troubleshooter. Now you need to update or reinstall the IDEO driver as well. Hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard. From here you need to open the device manager. In the device manager guys, expand sound, video and game controller. Right click on your IDEO device. Okay, first need to uninstall it. After uninstalling, you need to restart your PC. After restart your PC, Windows will reinstall that IDEO driver automatically that you have uninstalled from the device manager. After trying this method, hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Check specific app sound setting. To check this guys, once again you need to open your Windows settings like this. In the Windows settings, go to system, go to sound, make sure the app volume is not muted. Scroll down and find out volume mixer. Okay, make sure here your app sound is not muted. You need to unmute your all app sound. If you are facing the problem on any particular app, at the time you can try this method. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. In the IDEO setting only guys, scroll down and here you can get more sound setting option. Open it. From here you need to select your default speaker, go to level. From here you need to arrange your sound volume level. Okay, after doing this guys, click on apply and then click on OK. So if you are facing the problem on recording device, just go to recording device, select your default recording device. From here you need to right click on it and make the correct audio device as a recording device. Same with go to playback, select your right speaker or headphone, select it and make it default. After doing this guys, click on apply and then click on OK. And once you need to restart your PC as well. After applying these fixes, it will fix your problem. If this video fix your Windows 11 sound problem, hit like, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more Windows fixes. Comment below which method work for you.